New solar rules are coming. Is your solar system legal? Do you know about the new solar electric code? Should you worry? In 2019, a new electric code has been enacted. In this video we are going to talk about the upcoming regulatory changes that apply to photovoltaic solar installations in the USA and when will they be mandatory. The National Fire Protection Association oversees drafting and publishing the National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC or NFPA 70, since 1897. Every 3 years a new revision of the code is issued. Each revision improves the quality of the electrical installations, while reducing fire and shock hazards. The current revision, called NEC 2017, has a section dedicated to solar that requires significant and costly improvements to any new solar installations. Most states adopt the most recent edition within a few years of its publication. These upcoming regulations are only to be implemented in new systems but may be required in case of a retrofit or expansion. These requirements cannot be achieved without extra controlling and communications mechanism. Combiner boxes with emergency disconnect and current limiting fuses or breakers will no longer be enough. The most important change is RSS, or Rapid Service Shutdown, a mandated protocol that requires a complete de-energizing and disconnection of the solar installation in less than a minute. This protocol is described in the Code Section 2017 NEC 690.12. The RSS framework is a comprehensive new way of structuring photovoltaic energy, in which solar panels become smart by being capable of piecewise disconnection, and in most implementations, they will generate regulated DC or AC power by a microinverter or micro-MPPT DC regulator installed in each panel. MLPE increases the overall efficiency of the system. These regulating modules are called MLPE or Module Level Power Electronics. Whether any panel on a PV system comes installed from the manufacturer with some sort of MLP, such as a smart module or not, installers will need to provide each panel with a device capable of compliancy with rapid shutdown capabilities. Communications and management within the system can be achieved by a closed wired or wireless network protocol. The effective date when NEC 2017 became officially available was August 24, 2016, and after this date any governmental, federal or municipal entity can enact it, thus superseding the prior Code 1 in the region. Given all the cases of random fires in solar installations, the new code provides a set of rules to minimize the risks of shock and fire while potentially reducing the damage in case of a malfunction. Even if it is not mandatory on your area, you should study it closely and implement as much as you can. Once the new electric code is in effect on the location of the solar installation, any installer, both for commercial and personal projects, will have to comply with the new complex and costly requirements. Code may apply also to off-grid installations. Failing to implement all the required specifications will make your installation non-compliant, and you could be fined or denied access to the electrical grid. Please be aware that an expansion of a pre-NEC 2017 system implemented under the new code may require bringing the whole installation up to the new standard. Any retrofit of a non-compliant system will be a complex and costly endeavor. Furthermore, non-compliancy can expose you to liabilities and declined insurance claims in case of fire or shock hazard. Given all the cases of random fires in solar installations, the new code provides a set of rules to minimize the risks of shock and fire while potentially reducing the damage in case of a malfunction. This map represents all the states where the new code is mandatory as of August 2019. The rest of the states are in different phases of the implementation of the code. Some will implement it on 2020, some have their own code, some are still using older revisions. We will keep updating this information every 6 months. So far there are 26 states that have fully adopted the new rules: Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, Washington, Wichita, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska, Indiana, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Texas, Arkansas, Tennessee, Georgia, Kentucky, North Carolina. Thanks for watching. Please click on like and ring the bell if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested on more solar videos. We will be uploading more videos soon.